jar, or is this a quart? Yeah, I think this is a quart jar. Right there. I fill it to this line to make 3 cups. White rice, quinoa, brown rice. That's always how rice is done. So usually I do 1/3 of a cup. That way I lost my 1/3 of a cup. I don't know where it is, so I'm going to use a. So I put it in the hot water kettle. And I turn this burner on high. So I have the outer burner. Over here is the inner. Burner's on high. Oh my god, I found it! Hi, that's so fun. Okay. I'm just going to start high heat with the second. The whole time it's boiling. Okay, it's starting to pop. You hear it? It starts to pop. I turn it down to low on stirring. It's just starting to boil. Rarely do I huge mess. So this is it's gonna go every hot pan with boiling. If you don't want to deal with that, iron. This is the cold part of the stove. That's done boiling. Get my lid. 3 cups. So ready for the big mess? 1 cup. Cover it. My big mess. This should be low. 25 minutes. When it beeps, I'll come out and leave it on the stove. So annoying. I'll leave it on the stove after. Make sense? Got it. White, right. There's the white rice ends up on the bottom. Pretty cooked all the way through. Hi. I wanted to share my favorite comfort food thing I have a weakness for. The plastic containers, but here from Pukolani Superette. Oh, it's just into it before they bake it. That are in there on top of rice and kale. This is to eat for the rest of my life. If I could just eat this and not get fat and not have to throw away, plus happy.